In this tip of the day, let's take a look at using bookmarks within the OneCNC text editor. Now in this example, we're using a tombstone, and we've already applied some toolpath to all 4 of the parts. Let's generate a CNC program by right-hand mouse clicking on the toolpath group and post group. Now for this example, we're going to be using the Fanuc multi-axis post processor. Let's click post. I'm going to click save. We're going to overwrite this CNC program and we'll click yes to that. Alright, so to begin with, I want to demonstrate how we can create a bookmark. Simply take your cursor and click anywhere within the line that you'd like to add the bookmark. And from there, click the button up the top of the screen that allows you to create a bookmark at that line. And notice now there's a brand new bookmark there. Now I'm going to scroll down to just about the very bottom of the program. Let's find another point of interest within the program that we might want to bookmark. Here's a tool change. Let's do that. I'm just going to left click anywhere within that line and then click the Add a Bookmark option. Alright, once you have your bookmarks created, you can use this option at the top of the screen to go to the next bookmark, or you can move backwards and go to the previous bookmark. So here's a quick way to move backwards and forwards to different points of interest within your CNC programming using bookmarks. Now if you want to delete the bookmarks, simply click on this button here and that will clear all the bookmarks. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.